Hello everyone, my name's Emma. I'm going to show you all my Google Sites for Miss Debbie's class today. And so my home screen just shows my class and section and the year, spring 2022. And a little bit about me. Hello, welcome to my Google Sites. My name is Emma Geelan. I'm currently a sophomore at LSU. This website will act as a portfolio for all my projects I have worked on in Miss Debbie Harriman's ELRC 3500 class. Section 1. Contact me for any questions. So this is just like my home page. At the bottom I have contacts and blogs. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, so moving on to my biography. If you just click on biography, it should bring up my biography that we did in class. Yeah, just on a Google Doc. Under biography is my About Me presentation that we use to make on Canva. And you can click through it. I really liked using Canva. I think I'll use it for many of my other classes. I already have used it for some of my other classes just from learning it from this class. So I think it's like a little more creative than Google Slides or PowerPoint. So there's more fun like designs and templates that you can use that have been helpful in making my presentations more, I guess, interesting. So yeah. So the next tab is goals and objectives. We're going to go to concept map. Here we used bubble.us, and I like this as well. I haven't used it again, but I may use it in the future. These are just a few goals that I set at the beginning of the semester, so for a project we had in this class. The next are some links to Wakelet, Pinterest, Digo, and Symbaloo. I use Pinterest on a regular basis. I think it's a good website to use for like inspiration. I use it for like inspo pics. Sometimes I use it to find like a, I guess, like food that I would like to make. So yeah, I'll go to each one. Here's Wakelet for my hometown. And Pinterest for Cozumel. Some inspo. My Digo. It's loading. Anyway, you can come click on the links. I think my favorite two websites were Pinterest #1 and maybe Symbaloo, because it's easy to find like links to things and websites. So yeah, those are my links to all these. And next we're going to go to Canva and my brochure. So again, like we used Canva for this, so I think it looks good on this website because of the embed code that I was able to get from Canva and upload onto my Google Sites. It made it look clean and easy to find rather than clicking a link that brings you directly to Canva. So yeah, this is a brochure that I had. Can embed it right into the Google Sites. So moving on to digital scavenger hunt. This was the photos we used from LSU Google Slides. Again, I think Canva is more useful. I mean, Google Slides is easier to use, but Canva looks a lot better. And I think I could edit pictures better on like Photoshop or on my phone directly rather than on Google Slides, but it has some fun details that you can choose from. Black and white filter, different borders, a little mirror effect, different colored hues, shapes. So yeah. So moving on to my mobile app. I created another Google slide for this mobile app, which I could embed directly into my Google slide site. And yeah, click through this if you'd like to look. Next was our movie presentation. Again, I can embed the YouTube video directly into my Google site. And yeah, I really enjoyed this project as well because we were able to go out and about and film and also edit it on iMovie and put it directly into YouTube. So yeah. And next we have our green screen. I also like this because we got to film and embed directly into the website from YouTube. And yeah, I enjoyed this. There's me doing Caroline's hair. And this is ScreenCast, which I'm doing right now. So, hope that helps. I'm also, like, at the bottom here is my blog and contact information with my email. So, if you want to look at my blog, here's my blog that I did earlier with my little fashion pink blog. So, yeah. That's it. Thank you. Bye.